Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a very quick video to show you what I received in a recent design team package that I just got from Country Craft Creations. This is one collection I'm going to be working with for the next few weeks, and I'm trying to decide what I want to make. I'm pretty sure it'll be an album, either a large folio or an album. This is a fun little collection. Spring is in the air. I don't know about where you live, but here we're in Texas. It is amazingly warm, and I think winter is done, and so we're ready to move on to some spring crafting. This collection is by Simple Stories, and it is called, let me look real quick, Fresh Air. Perfect name for it. So what I received was the papers for the collection. I got 2 sheets of each, plus their punch-out stickers. I guess that's what they're called. They're stickers. Stickers. So I got their little sticker sheet, which I have to do. Look at the pink and yellow chickens and the beige one there, and the frog. Gotta love frogs and birds. Beautiful, beautiful, fun little images for maybe a garden type album or something that you might want to make. So this is simply adorable. Then to complement that, I got the page pieces, which I have already taken out of the package, and there are 18 pieces in this package. I will go over those singly in just a second here. To go with this, Country Craft Creations sent me the Prima Flowers. These are 9 flowers, these beautiful yellow flowers, and they're called Full Bloom. So they work perfectly, the colors here, with this collection. So you might want to check that out at Country Craft Creations if you haven't checked their flowers. Those are Prima's Full Bloom. So now let's go over the collection. In addition to the sticker sheet, I got 2 sheets of each design. So if you can see here, I've laid them out front and back. So this is a double there. Beautiful floral and checks. I love the little gardening images here on this one. Look at this, really. You could do an Easter album out of this too if you wanted to, even though there's no Easter sayings or bunnies, but you could adapt it. Here is our butterflies. Love that. It's the dragonflies and moth, and it has the pretty green on the back. And the cute sunshine, sun and clouds on this plaid background, with the backside being the dots. Larger floral with the script on this teal color. Some more florals on navy with the beautiful pink plaid. Love that. And the chickens. Let's take a look at the chickens. Aren't they cute? Kind of orange colored plaid here on the back of that one. Then we get into our cut apart. So here is the journal elements. Backside has this hello, smile today. So these are your 3x4s and a couple of smaller ones here. And then we have the tags. Their tags are always great. So you have the front and the back of the tags. Got 2 sheets of those. This one here is the 3x4 elements. Love that check there on the back. The 4x6 has this pretty tulip looking, no, daffodils. Daffodils. I need to put my glasses on. And then the last one is the 2x2 and 4x4s. Love the 2x2s. Love the pink chicken. A little house down here, and then this floral here. So this is a really, really fun collection. Can't wait to start cutting into that. So if you're interested in that, check it out at countrycraftcreations.com. I will link the collection down below so that you can easily find it, as well as link the flowers and also these. So let's take a quick look at these. I'm going to lay them out. We have sunshine. We have a bicycle. Memories. A little banner. A tag. A cloud that goes with the sun. Isn't that cute? A little floral tag piece. The house and the fences. Oh, another cloud. That's perfect. Butterfly. 3rd cloud. Like that. And some flowers here, several different little flowers, and happy moments. So here's the other flowers. I had taken it out of the plastic so they were easier to look at in the photo. So there is the design team package that I'm going to be working with for Country Craft Creations. Again, be sure and check out the website. I will link these all down below, and I'll start crafting on them. See you later, everybody. Bye-bye.